Today I'll show you exactly how to edit the header in WordPress when you're using the 2025 theme. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to completely customize your site's header, whether you want to swap out your logo, rework your navigation menu, change colors, or switch to a whole new layout, giving your site a truly unique look and feel. Let's dive in and get hands-on with your site's design. First, we need to access the right spot in WordPress where all the magic happens. From your WordPress dashboard on the left-hand side, hover over Appearance and then click on Editor. Now you're inside the full site editor, the control center for your whole design. The editor lets you tweak major site parts like headers, footers, and more. Next, look for Patterns in the design menu on the left. This is where WordPress organizes reusable sections of your site. Go ahead and click on Patterns, scroll down a bit here and you'll spot Template Parts. These are the key building blocks like your site's header and footer. Click on Header, you'll see a small preview pop up. Click on that preview and you'll be taken straight into the dedicated block editor for your header, where the real editing will happen. Don't worry if the layout looks a bit different than what you might see on your home page. This is the master version that controls the header everywhere. Now we're ready to make some real changes. Inside this editor, you'll notice everything is made out of blocks, just like building with Legos, where you can swap out, move, or transform each piece. If you want to update your site's logo, click right on the site logo block. Once selected, you'll see an option to upload, where you can add a fresh logo image or use Media Library to pick an image you've uploaded before. You can also resize the logo by grabbing those little dots on the corners. WordPress makes it super intuitive. Adjust until it looks crisp and balanced. Remember, your logo is often the first thing visitors notice, so give it that extra attention. Next, let's talk navigation menus. Click on the navigation block and you'll see all your current menu links listed. To add a new page or link, just hit the plus icon. It's that simple. You can also grab those 3 lines on the left of any link and drag to rearrange their order. Think about what's most important for your visitors to see first. Maybe you want contact, front and center, or prioritize your most popular service. Organizing your menu thoughtfully keeps your site approachable and user-friendly. Maybe you want your header to better match your brand's colors. Here, how? Open the list view by clicking the icon with 3 little lines near the top left. This shows you a list of all the blocks in your header. Select the top-level block, usually called a row or group. Then look to the right and find the Styles sidebar. The icon looks like a half moon or a swatch. Under the Color section, try changing the background shade. You'll see the update instantly, so feel free to experiment. The background color sets the mood. Maybe you want clean white, bold black, or a pop of accent color. And if you ever want a completely fresh start, you don't have to rebuild the header from scratch. With the header selected, check out the Design tab in the Block Settings sidebar. Here, WordPress offers pre-built layouts like a side logo with stacked navigation or a vertical header style. This is a great way to speed things up and explore different vibes for your site. Happy with your changes? Let's lock them in so they show live on your site. Click the bright blue Save button in the top right corner. WordPress will double-check, asking if you really want to update the header template part. Confirm your choice. This will apply your brand new header everywhere it's used across your site. It's that powerful. And that's all it takes to make your header uniquely yours using the 2025 theme. If this walkthrough helped, or if you have any questions, drop a comment below and I'll get back to you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.